Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Apple Cash on the PlayStation Store. Alright, let's begin. If you're wondering whether you can buy games or add-ons from the PlayStation Store using Apple Pay or Apple Cash, here's the answer. Currently, Apple Pay is not accepted as a direct payment method on the PlayStation Store. This applies whether you are shopping on the console, through a web browser, or even from an iPhone or iPad. When you reach the checkout screen, you'll notice that Apple Pay and Apple Cash are not among the listed options. The supported methods typically include credit or debit cards, PayPal, and PlayStation gift cards. So if you're trying to use Apple Cash directly, it won't be possible. However, there is a workaround. You can use your Apple Cash balance to purchase a PlayStation gift card from a third-party retailer that accepts Apple Pay. Once you buy the card, redeem it on your PlayStation account and use the balance to shop for games, add-ons, or subscriptions. Just be careful to buy from a trusted source. Sites like Amazon, Best Buy, or other well-known platforms often support Apple Pay and are safe for purchasing digital gift cards. So that's basically how you can use Apple Cash on the PlayStation Store. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.